Hi, Tammy here with Minard's Leisure World. I'm going to take you through the all-new 2025 Reflection 100 Series 24RL. This is a new floor plan in their 100 series. I'm super excited to show it to you because I love the floor plan personally. Weighing in at 7,700 pounds dry, under 10,000 pounds loaded, so no special license needed, and it's half-ton towable. So with your reflections, you get the R40 insulation in the roof, so they not only do just kind of the roof to the front cap, it wraps all the way around the front cap as well, so that's going to help when it's cooler out as well in the heat of the day to help keep your trailer a little bit cooler. Your underbelly in the Reflection 100 series is fully enclosed and heated as well with 12-volt heat tanks and up to an R value of 30. So very well insulated coach. The Reflection is an all aluminum framed construction, and they also put wood in their aluminum frame. So that allows for better screw retention when you're hanging cabinets and that sort of thing. So let's get started. Up at the front here, you do have your standard fifth wheel storage where your battery is housed. Propane tank on either side here. Nice full pass-through storage. The kind of the coin floor here, all nice and sealed, wide open with no restrictions of plumbing or anything like that. Nice big power awning that spans almost the whole length of the trailer with your LED lights. At the back of the Reflection 100 Series 24L, oh my goodness gracious, slow down, Tammy. At the back of the Reflection 100 Series 24RL, we are backup camera prepped. They did add the ladder in there, so that helps to get up on your roof just to check for those, seasonal maintenance checks. It does have a towing hitch. This has 300-pound tongue weight rating with a 3,000-pound tow capacity. So even though this guy is half-ton towable, they've beefed it up back here and you can tow maybe a small boat, Sea-Doos, whatever you want to take along on your journey. We are over on the roadside now. Nice, easy service or convenience center here. Your gate valves are tucked up inside, outside shower, black tank flush, and this coach also has auto level. So your switches for your auto level are right up in there as well. Nice and easy to get to. I also want to mention that not only is the insulation in this coach really great, they also have your double insulated cargo doors as well. So they do a great job. Okay, we are inside the 2025 Reflection 24RL. This is part of their 100 series, so they're half-ton towables. I love what they've done with this floor plan. Right at the back here, you have your theater seats, cup holders, USB port there. You can flip it up to give you room for one more bum in the middle there. So 3 seats there. They have storage on either side of the sofa with a plug-in at the bottom too. Storage right across the top. Nice big open cabinets. Directly at the front of the door here, they also did a little shoe cutout type thing, so you can tuck your shoes in behind there to get them out of the walkway. So this is a shorter slide, which, attributes to the lighter weight. Again, I said this guy weighs in right at just about 7,700 pounds dry. So a little bit shorter slide, but in the slide here, you do have your booth dinette, so that'll pop down to a bed. So you can sleep up to 4 people in this coach if need be. You've also got your 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator on this coach. And it is equipped with solar panels as well. Directly across from the booth dinette here, we have your entertainment system. Your JBL Bluetooth stereo system is actually just up around the corner here. Flat screen TV that is on a swing arm, so you can bring it out when you're sitting in the theater seats, because of course that's where you're going to want to be sitting maybe in the evening if the mosquitoes are getting you, or inclement weather to watch a TV program of some sort. Great storage up above. Love that. They have a bank of 2 drawers below, a cabinet door here with 2 great size shelves, and they're nice and deep in there as well, and a hidden pantry in behind the TV. Check that out. So they're really getting innovative using this space in behind the entertainment centers when it's probably just hollow anyways. So why not figure that out and use it as a pantry or hidden pantry, so to speak, to give you more storage. Moving along into the kitchen area here, you've got your microwave, storage above there, 3-burner cooktop, and your oven. I absolutely love these deep drawers below the ovens because they're a great place for your pots and pans. Another cabinet door over here, just like the other side, nice and deep. Great storage up above again, lots of cabinets for your dishes and that sort of thing. One-piece stainless steel farm sink with the drying rack and your residential pull-out faucet. Decent counter space, so you've got on either side here of your sink 2 plug-ins and a bank of 3 drawers. Moving up into the front cab of the coach here, you've got your porcelain foot flush toilet, a little bit of a linen shelf above with a towel bar, your residential style shower, and your sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. It's actually great space in this washroom. So up in the master bedroom here, we have your standard 60 by 80 residential queen size bed. Little shelf across the top here with USB as well as 110 plugins on either side. Nightstands with your reading lights. Kind of an open shelf up here. You can put baskets, fold clothes. It does have a little bit of the rail there, so they're not going to go anywhere. And little shelving on each side. What I love with what Reflection does, again, they've become very innovative. You have an additional closet here at the foot of the bed. At the foot of the bed here, you have a hanging closet and then 2 full extension drawers below as well. We just toured the 2025 Reflection 100 Series 24RL. Thanks for joining me. Absolutely love this floor plan. Half-ton towable, 7,700 pounds dry. It's equipped with solar, fully enclosed and heated underbelly. I surely believe that you're going to enjoy your adventures in this model. Give us a shout, Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.